Are you an active Instagram user? And would you like to build an app around your content? I'll show you how. Hi, my name is Lilia Larchenko and welcome to the Choicely App Masterclass. Choicely App Builder has been used to create dozens of world-class apps, like the Eurovision Song Contest app, Miss Universe app, and the Arsenal Fan TV app. Many of our apps have embedded Instagram content in them, and adding it is very easy to do with Choicely App Builder. Let's have a look. Go to the Instagram post you want to add, click on the three dots, select Embed and copy the code. Then go to the articles and choose the article where you want to embed the Instagram post, or create a new one. Choose Web and drag it to the article. Go to the right, choose Embed and paste the code. That's it. Would you like to try it out? Go to choicely.com and start building.